Yeah. Yeah. Getting that money. Yeah. What? Money. Yo, that's all my money I'm tryna get. Niggas can't understand, my nigga, to get your head. Nigga, coming through, nigga. Fucking assassins, niggas can't understand, nigga. I'm just harassing everybody for that money, for that paper. Everybody for them tens, for them 50s, for them hundreds, nigga. I'm tryna fucking win, nigga. And so if y'all niggas wanna come at me again, nigga, with that bullshit ones, nigga, you're pulling out. Nigga, I'm tryna be about the fucking money now. So if y'all niggas wanna step to me, ain't talking nothing, you best be talking money, nigga. To left and coming, yo, and coming through with rights and lefts, and I don't give a fuck, nigga. Best protect your neck. And when I come through, nigga, it's all about the paper. I told them before, but I ain't being no hater. About the money, nigga. Yeah. 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 Oh. Yeah. 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 And it's all about the money. And it's all about the money. Yo. And it's all about the money. Yo. And it's all about the money. Fuck them haters. Yeah. That's on my money. Yeah. They don't understand, I'm coming through with a whole nother plan. And when I rise to the top, they be talking, man. But they be talking while I'm on the bottle, understand. But when I get to the top, they ain't saying nothing, man. Cause I done made it, nigga, to the top full. Nigga, I made it on the top where my fucking school is gonna be at, nigga. With my king chair, and I ain't playing no games, niggas. It's underwear. How I'ma take it to the motherfucker full throttle. Niggas can't understand, just tip back, tip the bottle over, nigga. I'm coming through, best really on smoking, and I ain't giving a fuck, nigga. My money's potent, so if y'all niggas wanna step to me, it's over, dawg. Got motherfucking folded money paper in my drawers, and I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'ma go hard for all these niggas that be talking shit, nigga. Nah, I'm about my money, nigga. Shit for real. Yeah. Talk all that bullshit, but it ain't about shit. Ain't making no money, nigga. Shit, I'm out here getting it, nigga. Straight hustling. Yeah. Yup. Get that money. Never stop getting it.